this is my first time talking throughout this whole video, I just wanted to like fast forward through the whole process of doing my makeup, and I'm just going to explain to you my opinions on the Real Techniques sponge and the Beauty Blender. Compare this to this, they're the same pretty much. In my opinion, this one, the Real Techniques, is a little bit softer, which is better than the Beauty Blender. But I guess the only problem I have with this is that it's my first time using it, and it literally just like tore apart, which I showed you, and I'm like, that's so upsetting because it's honestly so good. It feels basically just like a Beauty Blender in my opinion. Like, they both work pretty good, almost exactly the same. So if you're gonna go out and spend $20 on a Beauty Blender or $2.99 on a Real Techniques sponge, if you want the same exact quality, you can just go for the Real Techniques. It's exactly the same in my opinion, and it actually has like more of a structure to it, so it gets under the eyes easy. There's this flat bottom where you can actually maybe, I don't know, what can you do with this? Maybe this is where you should blend your foundation. I didn't do it like that, but this one is just like one round egg basically. The Beauty Blender I've been using for like 2 months now, and I love it. I started using this because this works amazing. It gets your makeup looking so natural. I really love this. I like have nothing bad to say about it. If you're gonna go out and spend your money, I would honestly just tell you spend the money on the Real Techniques sponge because it's only $2.99. I got this from TJ Maxx, so it's probably discounted compared to normal like drugstores or wherever you get this from. And the Beauty Blender is $20, so it's a lot of money that you can save if you just get this one. Okay, so I just finished all my makeup that I'm gonna wear today, and I'm gonna go about my whole day, and if I feel like anything's changing with either side of my face, I'll definitely update you. By tonight, before I take my makeup off, I'll just let you guys know which side I prefer, why not, you know, the whole deal. I really hope this helps you out if you're interested in which, or you're just like comparing them and would like to know which one works better. That's really all I have to say right now, so I'll see you later. Guys, it's the end of the day now. I'm gonna be taking my makeup off in like a few minutes. I just wanted to update you about how my face is looking right now, going like 10 to 12 hours wearing this all day. So I'm just gonna look in my mirror. This side is the side that I use the Real Techniques. This side I use the Beauty Blender. I honestly feel like they both work exactly the same. Just get the Real Techniques sponge. Sure, it broke, but honestly, maybe I was being too rough with it. That's really all I have to say. Like, they both worked great. I recommend both of them. Maybe if you want like a long-term one that's gonna last you, of course, get the Beauty Blender, but for the most part, they both work amazing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you wanted me to do any more comparing videos, like a day review, then definitely comment down products that you would be interested in seeing, because I'd be happy to make more of these videos. And that's it for now. So I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in my next video.